In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and switch views in a Monday.com board. If you want to organize your work in different ways without changing the actual information inside your board, using views in Monday.com is a great option. Views let you look at the same board data from different angles, depending on what you need to focus on. For example, you might prefer a table layout for editing details, a calendar for deadlines, or a Kanban view for tracking progress visually. To get started, open your Monday.com board. Once you're inside the board, direct your attention to the top area of the page. This is where you'll find the current view that you're using. In many cases, you'll already be looking at the main table view, but the exact view can vary depending on how the board was set up. Next, look for the plus icon or the option labeled Add View. This is the control you'll use to create another way of displaying your board's information. Click on it, and Monday.com will show you a list of available view types. From here, choose the view that best matches the way you want to work. You may see options like Table, Kanban, Calendar, Timeline, Gantt, or Chart. Each one serves a different purpose. Table is useful for a classic spreadsheet style layout. Kanban helps you move items through stages. Calendar is ideal for date-based planning. Timeline and Gantt are helpful for scheduling and project planning, while Chart can give you a more visual summary of your data. After selecting a view, Monday.com may ask you to set up some view-specific settings. This could include choosing which date column to use, how items should be grouped, or which data should appear in the view. Take a moment here to configure the view so it reflects the information you want to see clearly. These settings help make the view more useful and easier to work with. Once everything looks right, save the view or give it a name if prompted. Choosing a clear name is a good idea, especially if you plan to create multiple views for different tasks or teams. A simple, descriptive name can make navigation much easier later on. After the view is saved, you can switch between views anytime by using the view tabs at the top of the board. This makes it easy to move from one perspective to another whenever your workflow changes. That's it. You've successfully added a new view and learned how to switch between views in Monday.com.